Okay, so we're out looking for properties, which will be an upcoming video. Robert has done research on about 300 properties.
It was about that, yeah. I think there's over 600 available.
And we narrowed it down to about 80, and we've been out looking at them, but it requires a lot of overlanding. So that's the video you're going to see today, is just a quick overlanding in a van video while we're out property searching, and we will share the video later on how I'm looking for properties and how to find properties through tax auctions. But see that right there? See that out that window right there? That's a road. Not.
They got all these roads around here. They're named roads. And sometimes they even have street signs right in the middle of the desert. And what a lot of these property auctions, property tax auctions right now, they're on what were once designed to be subdivisions, and nothing ever got built.
Nothing.
Sometimes they got as far as bulldozing roads and never put gravel down. Sometimes they bulldoze and put gravel down, but some of these places have been empty for 10 years or more, and nothing was ever built. And so the desert slowly reclaims the roads.
Yeah, so we're out looking for what, 2, 3, 4 acres today?
Yeah.
Literally in the middle of nowhere. Hope you enjoy this overlanding video. So part of looking for this property is being willing to go overlanding in a van.
That's
Is
right.
that what you
That's
call
right.
it? Robert has done all this research, but you don't know what you're getting into till you get out there and get into it. That's not looking too good. That's too deep, don't you think?
I don't think we're going to make it through there as is.
Okay, so we are out overlanding, and I just want y'all to know I've not lost my mind. Well, maybe I have lost my mind, but I'm safe because I'm with Robert, but I'm not only with Robert, and all my tires and everything are good, and all, you know, Fancy Free is tip-top shape, but I have my Spot GPS. And you can get it through my Amazon affiliate link. I would appreciate that. But on the one reason that I love this Spot GPS is I not only can let my tribe know my new campsite locations, but it has a feature called Save Our Vehicle. And I can push these little helping hands here. There's a button underneath them. You lift the flap up and push that. And it tells Spot, find me, that I need help with my vehicle or my person, but it is not an SOS 911. And they immediately dispatch a tow truck or somebody to help, and they contact my trustee. So how cool is that?
Right. It does cost a few dollars. I think it's a few dollars a month extra for that service.
Yeah.
It is, to my knowledge, it's the only one available nationwide that will rescue you off-road no matter where you are. And they'll send out a recovery vehicle based on the coordinates that you're showing where you're at.
Right.
So if we're out here and we got stuck and we had to call for help, they're going to send somebody that can do a desert off-road recovery.
Absolutely. And my arm is going to sleep, so we're going to close this clip. Buy it on Amazon affiliate, please. Bye. He actually came out to help me get up because I was squatted down. I'm like, come help me. So he's kind of making fun of me in a way. That was a good one, Robert. Did we really just hit a dead end? Are you kidding me? After all that?
Oh wait, this might be a road again. That looks like a abandoned property over there. There's actually gate posts. Another one abandoned out here in the middle of the desert.
That's insane. Please tell me that there's a main road here somewhere.
I think if we go left here, it's going to bring us back to pavement in a few miles.
So we made it down the road that was named Betty Road or something like that. And needless to say, I'm not buying that property, but we had fun. And I just want to tell you that that's what you do also when you're looking for campgrounds out on BLM Road. There are, if you want remote boondocking, that is what you do. And I am going to miss that in my, I mean, I have a beautiful home now, and I'm not complaining about that. I love my home, but I am going to miss overlanding and boondocking. And I just want to say too that we did not abuse Fancy Free. I got out and I took clips and everything that Robert said, you know, oh, this would be fun, jump out and do this. And it was fun. We had a great day, didn't we?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
But I just want you to know, we never went over 2 miles an hour. We never took any chances with Fancy Free, and I keep her in tip-top shape, which is also important when you're out looking for remote boondocking or overlanding in your vehicle. Did I miss anything, Robert?
Bottom line is, I break something out here, either we gotta find somebody to come out and rescue us, or I gotta walk out, get a ride back to get tools and parts to come back on, fix it in the desert again, which
Yeah.
You know,
And when
that's not a lot of fun if you can avoid it. So.
Yeah, and when I travel solo, like I said, I have my Spot GPS. And Bandit even enjoyed the day today.
Spot GPS.
Spot
you gotta have one of
GPS,
these.
gotta have it.
Highly recommended.
We hope you enjoyed this video today. I know it's something different from my channel, but
Yeah, we had fun. Hopefully you did.
And stay tuned for the upcoming video on looking for property and bidding on property for a tax auction. I'm buying land, y'all. Bandito, wake up. Hello. Did you enjoy overlanding? Did it wear you out, Bandit?
He sure enjoyed putting his head out the window every time we stopped, catch all the new smells.
And all the playing and the adventure. Now he's worn out.